In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted post on Facebook quickly and easily. Open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. Tap the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Your Activity section, then tap Activity Log. At the top, you'll see options like Archive and Recycle Bin. Tap on Recycle Bin. Now, important, you can only restore posts deleted within the last 30 days. Anything beyond that is permanently gone. Find the post you want to recover, tap the three dots next to it and select Restore to Profile. Or check the post and tap the Restore button at the bottom of the screen. Confirm by tapping Restore on the pop-up. Head back to your profile, give it a quick refresh, and your deleted post will be back. That's how you recover a deleted Facebook post in just a few steps.